Hi, I'm Vincent Camposano, Program Manager handling video management here at Axis Communications in the Americas. Today, I'm excited to talk about the latest offering from our next generation series of Axis camera station servers. The S1296 is a robust, secure, enterprise-grade video management server solution designed for customers that require greater throughput, expanded channel counts, or extended retention time. Featuring an impressive 1.5 gigabit per second throughput, the S1296 provides the benefit of attaching up to 150 channels to a single server, and in the event of system expansion requirements, can be scaled with additional servers, either locally or remotely, that can all be viewed in a single system interface. Video retention time and storage requirements are always a major consideration for both new and existing system expansion projects. The S1296 therefore features a 96 and 192 terabyte version. This simplifies deployment and system design for integrators, as well as provides peace of mind to end users as well. Additionally, setup and configuration time are greatly reduced. The S1296 comes preloaded with the Axis Recorder Toolbox configuration tool, Axis Camera Station software, and 96 onboard licenses. Featuring multiple RAID options, a trusted platform module, a FIPS 140-2 Level 2 certification, as well as a robust 5-year warranty on both the chassis and drives that includes next-day on-site replacement with the option to keep those drives, the S1296 inspires confidence for both those deploying and using it every day. Simplify large surveillance deployments with an end-to-end solution offering a seamless video management experience from Axis Communications. To learn more about the S1296 and other S12 series servers, reach out to your local Axis office or representative.